lifetimes walking those tracks. Never did we think to be looking back. Just like an old train passing every day. Can't help but to remember those good old days. It was the greatest thing. We were just chasing train. Now it's been some time since I've seen that old time. And as soon as I arrive, heard that old locomotive coming around. Makes me miss them good old days. We were just running around chasing trains. Driver fives puff a gun at us. We were running around like we were trying to catch a buzz. No, I wouldn't trade those days for anything. But I know lanes have to change. I'm still here all alone, watching the trains roll away.